Hi everyone, so today we're back with another unboxing video, and today we have Red Velvet's new album, Really Bad Boy, RBB. Alright, let's go ahead and unseal the album. Oh god. Okay, it's not like a matte kind of finishing, it's kind of like a glossy finishing on the outer box, and we have this RBB sticker. This is the cover page, and this is the side, similar to Bad Boy, and this is the back of the outer box, and the side here. Inside here we have the soundtracks, we have RBB, we have Butterflies, So Good, Sesame, Taste, and RBB English version. Not sure if you can see, but there we go. Okay, let's get into it, shall we? Okay, as usual we have the jewel box concept, and at the back we have the photo book. I'm not sure. Oh, I think it's here. I know it's there. Okay. Take a look at the photo card later. So we'll look in the jewel case first. This is the CD. Pretty nice. And here, what do we have? What do we have here? Okay. The lyrics. Okay, the lyrics booklet. Oops, sorry. It's really nice. It's like neon pink. Take a look. So Good, Sesame, Taste, Really Bad Boy, English version. Yep, that's all. Quite nice. Okay, we'll move on to, oh my god, it's stuck. Freak. Okay, I got it. This is the problem with jewel case albums. Okay. Who did I get? I feel like I've gotten like Yeri or something. Okay, this, I have no idea why is this. Don't want it. Yeri! I always get Yeri. I've never gotten Joy or Irene or Silky or Wendy. Oh, I've Wendy photo card, but I have no Joy photo card. I'm so angry. Oh, have I? Okay, it looks good. This is like one of my preferred Yeri photo card. Okay, so this is the back of the photo card.